Good evening, friends. This is me, Arjun, and today I have come here with a topic. It's not a kind of topic; it is a something powerful that everyone should have. That is called gratitude. We should express. I mean, not should we must express gratitude for what we have given. We have been given because everything in this on this earth is created in a specific way, in a particular way. Whatever we get from this earth, from this universe, we should be thankful. We should be grateful for all the things that those have been given to us. So people say that how can we feel gratitude, how can we show gratitude to the god or to the nature. We don't know what is gratitude. First of all, let's understand what is gratitude. I mean, if you are if you are drinking water, or if you are having food, after having finished your food, having drunk your water, you should say thank you god to give this to give this water for me, because you, or thank you god to give this food for me, because you can see. I'm not talking about for the god, I'm talking about you can see a lot of people in this world, quite a lot of people in this world do not have the things, that much things that you have. Then you, that's why you must be grateful for all the things. Or some people say that what is gratitude, why should we be grateful for the things, everything, god is nothing, or nature is nothing, no one is here, that is, everything is superstitious. Okay, everything is superstitious. So can you can you find, can you change the season? Can you change the season? Can you change the direction of sun? No. Why? When everything, god doesn't exist, or thing doesn't, really god is nothing, then how can a, you cannot identify the mechanism of the things. You can't identify the mechanism of the things, because everything is created in a specific way. Human can't identify, human can't examine, human can't understand. So please, if you don't consider, if you don't perceive god, it's okay, but at least you should be grateful for the things. If you are having food on time, if you are having, if you are going somewhere, or if you have any vehicle, or if you have anything, you should be grateful for this, for the things, because why should be grateful? Everything has the same energy that you have. If you if you i mean if you check yourself in microorganism, or in micro, where what is called, there is a term in science that is called electron, neutron, proton. Uh, when you go when you go deeply, when you go in micron, you would find that everything doesn't matter, human, animal, things, stuff, or trees, or that is the things that is created, artificial things, non-living things, everything or everyone has the same energy. If we are using mobiles, if I'm making this video from this with the help of this mobile, it also has the same energy that I have. Because when you, because there is a case study that has been done by scientists. And one thing is found in that particular, I mean scrutinization or scrutiny or report study, was that everything has the same energy, or energy in, energy flows in the same way. Whether it is chair, whether it is your house, you, your clothes, any animal, nothing, everything. everything has the same energy. Or when you start feeling grateful for the things, when you start feeling grateful for the people that help you, when you start expressing gratitude for those who has given something to you, when you start show gratitude for those who really played a great role in your life, you would get things, you would get things back in multiplication. You would get things, multiple things. So please be grateful for the things. That's enough. I would like to end my video. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel and like. Thank you.